Welcome to What's on the Bench, episode 2, Deadbolt progress, plus the end of the ender. First up on the bench is the SCX 10 Deadbolt. First thing I did was print up a new floor that had the clearance for the transmission, and integrated a little center console into it. And I had to modify the seat file to clear the little bump, and it's a little bit of a compromise, but I think it works out. And designed up a dash in Tinkercad, printed it out, and I'm pretty happy with how that came out. I still have to print up a few shift knobs for it. The shifters are just little pieces of printer filament. That's it for the SCX 10 Deadbolt this week. So got a little bit of progress. So it's kind of going in the right direction. The AX10 Deadbolt is all taken apart and got everything painted, but it's still pretty tacky, so I gotta wait before I reassemble it. And the paint job is gonna be a multi-colored paint job, so probably gonna be a few more days before that is dry. So see how it goes. Hopefully I can have it back together by next week. And now for the bad news. My 3D printer apparently went out. So when it goes to print, I can select the G code and start the print, but then when it goes to print, it just starts doing some random stuff after it does a couple passes. So I'm assuming it's the board went out. I took it apart and the fan had stopped working, and so I went ahead and ordered a new board and a new fan, and I'm gonna try to repair it and see how it goes. Hopefully I can get it running again. Well, that's it for this week. Hope you liked the video. Let me know what you think. Tell me what you think might be wrong with my printer. I'm just assuming it's the board. I really don't know though. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next week.